Is it the way you misbehave? Shameless man, Oji. Is it the way you misbehave?
I am not surprised. It's not today that you started calling me shameless man. It's all right. But let me ask you a simple question. Yes. Which of the women within this community that refuses their husband's instructions like you do? Who?
Oji, play your role as a father. I said, play your role as a father. Don't leave everything for me to do in this house, Oji. After all, we have just 2 kids, and you're behaving like this. What if we have more? Okay. What will happen, Oji?
Maybe I should equally remind you that these children are your children equally.
Yes, they are. But you are their father. You are their father. Or did I get the pregnancy from somewhere else?
Who knows?
Who knows what? Who knows what?
Who knows? You might be right. You might be right. After all, those children, they don't look like me. Look at a fine, handsome man that is fully grown up with full of muscle. None of them resemble me. Yet they eat all the food in my house and they refuse to grow. I don't know where you have them. In fact, I am going to somewhere. By the time I come back, you owe me that explanation.
Oji, you must tell me. For this thing you're saying, yes, you are the most stupid fool I've ever seen on earth. Instead of me to leave this house, you will leave. Nchiche papa aka beli imi ebe ozu. Ana anyuri imoro na enyo nse di ofu. Nani? Anụmanụ anụlụ m di na ibe m na arụ ama nọ nsị ka nnụnụ. Anụ ọfịa. Jee ka ịbata.
Chisom, you are back. Welcome.
Papa.
Yes, my dear.
Our teacher is still flogging me because of that textbook that I told you about.
But I thought you said you have it.
But mine has torn. My social study textbook that you bought for me since that one has torn.
Don't mind that bagger. Don't mind that bagger, bro. He thinks I plug money from tree anyhow. Huh? Nonsense. Don't worry, we are going to use a Evo stick, ordinary gum, to correct that textbook. By the way, where is Chidi?
Chidi has gone to see Mama.
You can now go in and have your lunch, eh? That's how they'll be asking for money. Huh? Onami. Solo mi toro. Even na boyo dogu.
Kene bindo. Ogosi kwa toy. Oji. If not for my brother, Boniface, who is doing business in Lagos, tell me how I would have coped with my wife and 9 children.
Is that what you are asking? How couldn't you have coped? I thought you could have made it more than 15. You said that 15 now. Okay, you could have made it 20.
Why are you talking like this?
Why wouldn't I talk like this? Why wouldn't I? When they say you should have children according to your strength, you think that they're joking. Go ahead and rear more children. I mean, you can breed them more like rabbit.
That is enough. That is enough. Huh? That's an insult. Are you better off? Are you better off, Oji? You that have only 2 children. You cannot even take care of them. If not for your wife, you would have died of hunger. And you're not even ashamed. Yeah?
So, look, Baba, just continue praying. That Boniface will never wake up from wrong side one day. Otherwise,
I think everybody's a miser like you. Eli. Yeah? I even thank God that I'm having this on you today. Yeah? For how many years now? Madam, because you get one more bottle for me.
Yes. Lady, bring more drinks for my friend to continue to drink. So that at least you have enough strength this night to continue that tournament. Or what do you normally call it?
I don't blame you. I'm of course, I'm there.
Yeah.
And my wife is there too.
Yeah.
Huh?
All right.
Where's the drink?
I think I should be leaving.
Oh, you mean you're leaving me here?
Of course.
Okay, pay the woman.
Huh?
Pay the woman.
Solomon. Okay. I should pay the woman, right? Well, Ndidi. Ndidi, I just took only one bottle of small stout. Yes. If you know you are not paying, Ndidi, please put down our names. Huh?
Oji.
Where is this woman?
Oji.
Anyway, when I come back tomorrow, we'll settle.
But if from the children, I said to pick it.
Did you fall from your mother said or your father said? Huh?
Take your orange, eat it. After it's not.
Let me ever see any of you around these orange trees again. Let me know whether you don't know whether it's called a cash crop. Oh, Shina Wambu. Takuni is not in Aranya. Imarego Nenkabu. Imarego Nenkabu, Yoshina Wambu. Hey! Chisom and Chidi, what are you doing there?
We are plucking some oranges and coconuts.
You are plucking some oranges and coconut. Look at their heads. Have I not warned you? Hey, stop! I said stop that rubbish. Stop! Have I not warned you boys to stay away from all these cash crop trees? Don't you know that it is an investment? Huh?
Oji, what sort of investment is coconut? Oji, so you mean the children don't have the right to eat anything they want to eat in this house anytime they want it?
No. Let me ask you. Is coconut and orange is food? Don't they eat enough food in this house?
They do. Courtesy of your generosity.
Thank you very much. No. Now you are beginning to understand that I am playing my role.
Nonsense.
Not to plug all these coconuts that you know that very soon it will bring us a lot of money. Now come here, let me see what you have there. Hey! Oshina Wambu, Uyoshi. Hey! You boys have big eyes. Wonderful. This will make a lot of money. Thank you very much. But don't go there next time.
Oji, the very day you want to start selling things in this house, the day you want to start selling fruits, do let us know. Let us know, but spare me these boys.
No, they are your boys. And let your boys spare me my orange trees and all the coconuts and everything I have in this compound. They should spare me of my cash crops because they are my investments.
Old fool. Chidi, come, let's go inside.
Chisom, please go and get me water to drink. Huh? We are going to sell this, and the money we are going to realize from that, your textbook. So, go and get me some water to drink. Huh?
Papa, let me go and keep.
Don't worry. This is the money I will use to buy you those textbooks.
Timo! Oji, is it you? You are too late today.
Why won't I? Why won't I? Have you ever seen a monkey on top of a banana tree without plucking it?
And the toad does not run in the afternoon for nothing. It's either...
Timo, we know the rest.
Timo,
And
let's get inside and have some.
Come. As a matter of fact, I don't come to sit down, Timo, that snake that we killed, how many pieces are they?
Snake?
Yes, now, snake now.
Okay. Is it about our business?
Yes.
I haven't gotten the full amount.
Timothy, don't make me angry. What are you talking? What do you mean that you have not got it since that time? All right, how much do you have?
I have only 2,500 naira.
Only? Hey, Timothy. Okay, let me have it. Later I'll come for the balance.
Oji, can't you exercise patience for me? At least, let me get the one I give you.
Yeah, Timothy, you are mad. Timothy, I said you are stupid. Huh? When I gave you that contract, did I exercise patience? I mean, when I gave you the contract to supply chairs to that school, did you ask me to exercise patience? My money, just give it to me. Is that the way you do your business? Why don't you wait for the whole year to finish before you pay me? Give me. Exercise patience. Oh, good job.
Count it very well.
Leave that one to me, because you know I will count it. Money says you should count it more than once. 18, 30, 40, 52, 53, 54, 81, 82, 85, 86, 87, 90, 210. You have tried, but this is not too good. I want it complete too. When do you want me to come for the balance?
The balance in 2 weeks' time.
In 2 weeks' time? No, I don't accept 2 weeks. Make it next week. Next week.
Okay, I will try.
Yeah?
I will try.
Okay. Yes. If you can pay by next week, another one is on the way. Try, eh?
Haji, where did you suddenly rush to this morning without letting me know?
Now, has it come to this?
Yes, it
So I will need to whistle for you to know that I am going out. So go inside and give me my food. I am hungry.
So you were not fed where you went to?
I said, go and get me my food to eat, Ojari. I am hungry.
Ọ̀pá-kò-dé-rí ọ̀jì akagọ́m ukpuga-tego-gi ọ̀jì akagọ́m stingy man ọ̀jì akagọ́m.
Chukwu mere m ebere. Agwọ mma m. Ọkwere ka iji ekwu yi.
Oh, so you're not calling me a mom?
Enenebe
When you were insulting me. When you were insulting me, now you're calling me a mom.
If I get some, Hey, you don't cook apple for me anymore.
Apple again.
Oh, yeah. Onyema. Hey.
My Wait. Do you have a choice? Eat whatever I've given you to eat. So you don't want to eat? I go can eat no what?
You are no more yege. You are no more yege. Hey! No. Hey, no, but because now for you can have was also put in a manage. I want mamma. I want come while I go go.
You got one kitten in the car. I go pay you well now.
Hey, I go go and cake.
One cake. I've been
oh, dear, go. I'm a river get more.
How are you? I'm fine. Sir, I have come to see you on behalf of your son, Chisom. I've come to plead on his behalf.
What happened to him?
Well, Mr. Oji, take a look at your son, Chisom. Take a look at him. Torn shorts, his clothes are all torn. Look at his sandals. His books are even old and needs replacement.
Ah! Have you finished your preaching? Is it because I didn't arrest you? Because my son came back and told me that it was while you were flogging him one day that you got his shirt torn. Huh?
Me?
Yes, you! Get out! And now let me remind you, I did not send my son to school to learn fashion parade. I sent him to learn how to read and write.
Mazioji, apart from teaching, the welfare of our pupils are our great concern. So, I think it won't cost much to put this boy in a good shape.
Thank you for your concern. But please keep it to yourself. Okay? Keep it to yourself.
Mazioji, children's education are not to be toyed with, especially if that child's future is to be secured. What will it cost to put this boy in a good shape for Christ's sake? I mean, think about it.
Yeah, or teacher, or whatever they call you. If you do not mind, leave my compound now, because you are disturbing my breakfast. I say get out!
Well, your son will not be allowed like this tomorrow in the school. That is all. Good day.
Just as you will not be allowed in school, because look at yourself. Look at somebody who called himself a teacher.
Well, this is very fine. Thank you.
It's very, very fine.
Well, thank you.
It's looking very fine on you.
Thank you very much. Well, what of the back pocket?
Leave him. Must there be back pocket in it?
Ma, yes, it has no abime.
It's okay. Don't worry. It's fine.
Well, this shirt looks like woman's clothes.
Chisom, don't mind him. You are looking sweet on this. Listen, Chisom, let me tell you. If not that you are also my son, I would have looked the other way. Because your father is not ready to do anything in this family. It was even him that shared the responsibilities. Yet, he doesn't want to do anything.
And what responsibilities, Mama?
You see, it is not everything you tell children. But it is obvious that I practically take care of everybody in this home. You two can bear me witness.
But Mama, you don't understand. The money she pays for her food.
Well, don't worry. Let me not go into details. Perhaps in time to come, you both will understand. Huh? So go in right now and change your school uniform.
Well, I'll put it possible.
You like you're seeing Ali?
See that?
Hey, Chidi. Oh, yes, so.
We all know how Magnus, our brother, lived in poverty before his death. I believe it is our responsibility as his kinsmen to give him a befitting burial.
Matsi, what are we even talking about? Is it how to bury Magnus or what?
What else are we discussing? We owe him that duty.
Ah, yes. Okay. Duty to contribute money to bury Magnus?
Yes, yes.
Is that why you call this meeting?
Yes, that's why we are
Ah! Now let me ask a simple question. What about Magnus's wife and the children?
What can they do? A poor and helpless woman and her tender kids.
Igwebike,
Yes.
you surprise me.
How?
At this your old age, I am surprised the way you speak at times. Eh? How can you say what can they do when they are capable of doing so many things? For example, that woman, I mean Magnus's wife, can sell some of the numerous children Magnus was able to raise when he was alive to barren couples and realize there's enough money to bury Magnus. What are we even talking? Are we even supposed to be here talking about how to bury Magnus?
Oji,
Are you out of your senses? Look at what you just said.
Why wouldn't I? Why wouldn't I say such thing? While he was alive, he was rearing children like pigs. And now he is dead. You people want me to come and start contributing money to bury Magnus. You people must be joking.
Why are you talking like this? Why are you talking like this? You're just talking rubbish. Is it because of Magnus's many children?
Well, maybe it is not because of that too. But all I am saying is that Ojiako will not contribute a dime to bury Magnus.
Anyway, Oji, I am not surprised. Huh? Yes, I am not surprised because you have just spoken true to type.
Yes. Cello, can they follow? True to type. What's the meaning of this true to type?
Oji,
Explain.
if nobody has told you, then I will tell you. Oji, you are a shame to this family and to the entire community.
Uwebike, you are here. You are here. And this fatherless child, this fatherless son, refer to me as a shame. Anyway, I don't have time to exchange words with you because you are nothing but a leper.
Oji, you can do nothing.
You're a pastor, though.
Oji, you cannot do anything. In fact, your great-grandfather, they are lepers.
Leave me to tell him what he is. I said leave me. You are here when he insulted me.
You people should stop behaving like market women.
You people should warn Oji. One audio.
That's okay. That's all right.
I think I should be leaving.
Oji, sit down.
I have to go.
Oji, sit down.
You are here, and this fatherless bastard in your way.
Oji, you are ashamed, Oji. Yes.
I'm ashamed.
You are ashamed.
Hey, you're a stingy leper. You're a stingy leper.
Oji.
Let me tell you,
Oji.
Well, I am going. You people can finish the meeting. Take your decision. But if it concerns money, please count Ojiako out. Because Ojiako is not prepared to contribute to Anene. Not even Toro or Shishi. Then,
Oji.
I'll publish a book on your life.
Oji, we shall see.
I am going to tell the community how you came into existence.
Oji. Leave him, let him go.
Let him go. After all, a market does not know that one individual did not come.
Kadosu and boys.
Chiki, Mama.
You are chief here.
Chiki, Mama.
Boys. No, so something don't just stay. Like I was telling you now. That man has just won a contract and he has been owing me for quite a long period of time now. But he's hiding it away from me so that he will not pay me my money. But now, I want to teach him a lesson of his life. Deal with him for me decisively.
So when do you want us to strike?
My contact man told me that the money will be paid in 3 days' time. But I'll be back before then to give you the final signal.
Job!
By my pace. Consider it done. No shaking.
I trust you.
Trust us. We go work am well.
I always count on you.
So you are still peeling this yam? Huh? For how long will you peel yam, Dorothy?
You this madman, go inside and leave me alone. Please. Better go inside, leave me alone. Please.
Hey. Look at the way she's even cutting the yam. Huh? Hey. You are wasting yam and I am talking to you, you are still wasting this yam.
Is it any business of yours? Or did I beg you money to give me? Leave me alone.
Even if I don't give you money to buy the yam, you shouldn't be peeling the yam like this. You are wasting yam.
It's not your business.
Okay, wait. Sorry. Let me teach you.
You are looking for my trouble.
Let me teach you how to cut. Give me. Now watch and see how you can peel the yam. Go and make the fire, oh? Make the fire fast. Chisum and Chidi can also help you, please. Hmm?
Now, when you finish peeling the yam, boil the yam, then serve me food to eat. That is all I want from you.
It doesn't come to that now. Eh? I'm only teaching you. Even Chidi and Chisum cannot cut yam like this. You're wasting yam.
Ọkpakọrịrị ọjị aka gọm mkpu ga-atego gị ọjị aka gọm.
Woman, what are you doing out here?
Papa Chisom, looking for you. I was wondering where you must have gone to at this time of the night. Huh?
So, Dorothy, I am happy that I have suddenly become a very important person to you.
Did I say something contrary? Or is it wrong when a wife wakes up and could not see the husband? I got up, I did not see you, I decided to come and look for you. Is there anything wrong in it?
Anomogu, thank you very much. But please, I am not in the mood to start exchanging words this night. One, it is late in the night, and I want to go to bed early so that I can even wake up early too.
God knows what you are doing outside.
You get the one man in name na Oji, na contractor. He dey make money. He dey make money. You know if he take care of his family.
Chisom, you are up. What is it?
It is that thing that we discussed about the form for the common entrance. All my mess have obtained theirs, and I'm here to get mine. Besides, they say that the closing date is this week before Friday.
Chisom, which common entrance exam or fee you are talking about? Huh?
The one I told you now, the one we discussed last time. I told you that the closing date for the common entrance is going to be this week before Friday. And they say, all my mess, if you come to my school, all my mess have 10 years. And they are, I'm still here to pay my own.
Well, Chisom, now I know that you have no brains in that your head. You have no brains in that your head. Is that why you mount a toll gate for me? Huh? So that I can shit money for you to take to go and pay for your common entrance form or whatever you call it.
Papa Chisom, this thing you're doing is getting too much. Oh. It's getting too much.
If it is getting too much, are you going to give me money? Are you going to lend me money to use in paying for whatever form he is asking of?
Which money? Every day you complain you don't have money. All the money you make from your contracts, where do you keep them? What do you do with them?
Look here, Dorothy, I don't even have that kind of time for you. I don't have energy to dissipate at all. Chisom, I've heard you. You can go in and sleep. Huh? Let's see how the moon runs. Before the moon runs out, I will see what I can do. By the way, how much is the form?
The form is 200 naira. I'm talking about this week and not when the moon runs out.
Go in and sleep, bro. Go in and sleep. Who is that?
It is the police.
It's not police. Chisom, what do I have to do with police this night? Please get the door.
The police, Papa.
Huh?
Yes, open the door.
Get down, everyone! Get down! Hey. Get down! Okay. Get down! Get face down!
Please don't shoot anybody here.
Shut up!
Okay.
Get us the money.
Which money? I don't have any money in this house.
You are lying. Don't joke with me. You are lying.
Will you face that?
I don't have patience with liars. I will count up to 3. And if you do not get what we want, we would take turns on your wife in your presence, one after the other. So, the choice is yours. 1.
Okay, please, I am saying the truth. We don't have any money here.
Please don't hurt me, please. Please don't hurt me.
2.
Papa Chisom, please, if you have money, please give them, please.
I don't have any money now. You know I don't have any money.
I don't know.
Okay, okay, please take my wife.
2. Papa Chisom. Eh?
Yes, what else do you want me to do now?
3. Tiger.
Excuse me.
Hold on, Target. Hold on.
Please, don't take my mother. I know where
Come here.
I know where he keeps his money.
Come here. So you do, eh?
I know where his money is.
Come and show me. But let me warn you. Let me warn you. You had better be sure. What do you Target. Billy, take care of them. Come on. Come on. And take their lives. Come on. Play along. Hold on. Where is it?
If I show you, will you give me 200 naira?
I said, where is it, my friend?
Look at it here. Will you give me?
What do you want to use 200 naira for?
I want to use it and buy our common transfer. Sorry, please don't give me.
Common entrance nonsense. So this is where this man hides his money, eh? He must be a very greedy man. Very, very greedy.
Please, what of the 200 naira?
Come on, let us go back, you idiot. Selfish and greedy man. Boys, this is the cash. Let us go.
So this idiot has been taking us for a ride. I have a mind to waste him.
Don't. The money is more important to us. Let's go, boys. Come on, let's go. Will you get down on your knees? Rubbish. Fools.
Nadia. Chisom. Amelia. Amelia. Hey.
I think I've had enough. Hey. Chimo. It can't even a mem. Did I have with Anka? This boy Chisum has finished me. Huh? But come to think of it, how did he even know that I buried that money in that hole? Huh? This boy is a criminal. In fact, he's a rogue. Hey. Maybe I should start putting my money in the bank. But what if the bank folds? Or they might even embezzle my money. Bank is not the best idea. I don't trust the bank. Hey. Let me even feed myself first and foremost.
Chisom, who padlocked that store?
I don't know. I didn't padlock any store.
I know you were not the one. At least your hand will not get to that point. Papa Chisom, who padlocked that store?
Which store?
The store.
Since you and your son resolved to conspire against me, I have decided to bring out my red eye.
You are not ashamed of yourself, Papa Chisom? You are not ashamed of yourself. I never thought you would ever talk to me after your shameful act.
Which shameful act, Dorothy? Which shameful act? After all, you are not more precious than that money they took.
So you would have preferred them touching me to safeguard the money you hid in a hole for me not to know. But I know. Papa Chisom, I know.
Have you finished? If you had finished rattling like a monster, get out of my face. Leave me alone to face my worries.
Then can I have the key?
Which key?
The key to the store.
You are just dreaming. Because I have decided as one of my drastic measures that nobody will enter that store. Nobody today. Okay.
Papa Chisom, let me tell you, you see this? Now I am going to break that store. Right now.
Bring the hammer. I said bring the hammer here, Dorothy. If you ever attempt to open that store, I am going to smash this your skull and make sure that this your useless son eat it.
Then get ready. Because I'm going to use this hammer on your head. Get ready, right?
Let's try it. So I want us to try it. Yes. You want us to try it? Yes. Let's see.
You, my sister, what sort of man is this? He couldn't even answer our greetings. Okay, see, you don't have to blame him. Armed robbers attacked him recently. Good. That serves him right. That useless man. He's a very stingy man. Could you believe that he cannot shit for a dog to eat? I just believe that robbers snatch away all his money from him.
Amaka, so this man is all that bad?
Hey! Can you believe the wife feeds his family?
Hey! Abomination.
Okay.
Let me not side him. It's true. In fact, he almost left his family responsibility in raising the two sons, Chisom and the other one.
Tell her.
If not for the family who intervened, he would have agreed to take care of Chisom.
Hey! Even at that, he cannot take good care of that boy. Chidi now? Chiazom, younger brother, the one that is in the dormitory. Chiazom is there, waiting for his stupid father to come and send him to school.
So this man is heartless.
Heartless. He's heartless and selfish. Stupid idiot. Esther, please, come, let's go, Joe.
Oh.
Walk fast, let's see again now. Wow.
I can't believe it.
You believe it? Come, let's go.
Chisom! Asina ogene rapo agwe muyana. That's why I've called you. In spite of your father's arrangements concerning your upkeep and your brother's upkeep, you are still my son. I will not allow you to suffer. Based on that, I have decided to give you the entrance form money. So you go and register tomorrow.
What you will?
I will give you.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, my son.
God
I
bless
have
you.
to. I don't have to allow you to suffer now. No matter the way you.
Oh, God bless you.
God
bless you.
My son, don't worry. I will always take care of you.
Chisoso. This one that you are jumping about like a monkey, so excited this morning. What is the latest development? Huh? Because I'm so happy. All right. Yeah, Dorothy.
What is it?
I have gone to see Obunka concerning the robbery incident. And according to him, he has promised to dig out those behind the robbery.
So?
Because from the look of things, I believe that it is an insider. It is an insider because those boys shouldn't have smelt their palms to know that I have money somewhere in this house. So, why am I saying all this? For every member of my household to ask himself or herself questions, so, because we all know who Obunka is.
So what are you trying to say? That it could be me? Or what?
Well, I have not said so. I have not said so. It's just for everybody to be worried. Don't say I did not say that. Ask yourself questions. Chisom and Chin, I hope you are hearing me. Well, if you like, you can hiss from here to Jerusalem or Jericho. I don't care. All I have just said is everybody should do what? Ask himself or herself question, no? Don't say, I did not say, I have gone to see Obunka.
Ekwensu ki here megi n'ụwa ki here megi mangi mandi otu go ihere megi. Stupid man. Ekwensu.
Unu si na unu na-ata ọjị ndebele unu na-ata. Unu si na you don't want to eat the cola. Well, I'll take my cola.
Oji, stop making noise. How many times have you even brought a pencil to Chisom? Yet you call yourself a father.
Okay, you need an answer. All right. Dorothy. Now, is it because your people are here that you want to paint me black? Huh? It will not work.
Who is painting you red? Tell me, who is painting you red?
Dora, it's okay, It's okay. Enough of that argument. My people, my in-law.
Yes.
We are not here to argue about. But we are here to find a solution to the problems of this family.
That's all.
I know that, Chiweta. But the issue is that she must withdraw that statement that does not contribute to the welfare of my household.
Is it not a fact? Is it not a fact? Have I not been carrying the family for the past years? I've been carrying the family.
Who owns you and own that your money?
Who owns what?
Is it not me that started business for you?
Which business?
If you want us to say,
which business?
I gave you money.
It's okay. It's okay. Please, calm down because of your BPA.
Yes, that is what he wants. That is what he wants. He left virtually all the things in this family for me. He wants to kill me, but you will not succeed.
Look, who wants to kill you?
You.
You see, when I look at you from head to toe, I don't know what to talk. When I wanted to marry you, not all these, not all these things that are talking, rattling. You were begging me. You say you don't even mind being housewife.
Hey.
Now you have a front friend. Huh? Who wants to kill you? Look, if you want to die, I am sure you know what to do. To die. Listen to me. When you die, I will rejoice because the problem will be over. So that I can even marry a second wife.
You'll be the first person to die. Oji, you will be the first person to die.
You are a bundle of shame. Makachuku Makachineke. I even regret that our father's decision of giving you our sister's hand in marriage.
Oh.
Yes. Yes.
Wait. So you've grown, eh? Kami, I be Camel. What do they call it?
Whatever your name is.
Kami. Camel. So you now have guts. You have guts to talk while somebody like Chiweta and I myself are talking. What do you know? What do you know about marriage? What do you know about family? Huh? Look, until you are married, you are not qualified to contribute in this type of matter.
Look, I have the mind to break your heart, to your backbone, and even Papogafo. Yes. Is it because we gave you our queen to sleep with you? That's why you have the mind. The mouth to them.
Oh, Kamiezule. Kamiezule. You are looking for somebody to kill you.
A pregnant man.
Look at him.
A pregnant man like you.
Now you. Let me get back to you. You must leave my compound now. You have forgotten that you are in my house.
What?
I said, get out. Leave my compound.
You won't do anything now. I'm not going anywhere.
Enough of this. Enough of this. Enough of this. Calm down. Okay.
No.
Oji.
Yes.
Why are you people behaving like children?
Oh!
It's you.
It is this idiot.
It's you.
And you are so-called queen or sister or whatever.
Yes.
It is not mannered. You know, I was telling you the other time about our mannerless. This lady is a misnomer. I have been condoning her. No. Wait. It's getting on my nerve. Shut up, you.
You can't do anything. You will only make noise.
Shut up.
You will only make noise.
Look at somebody who carried to my house. A non-entity like Camillus. An imbecile like him. To come and talk on important issue like this. Why? Chiweta, oh, I am disappointed. Chiweta.
Look at truck pusher. Look at truck pusher.
You can go and hit your head.
Oh, quit no Abraham alone.
Idiot.
Oh, you put on game alone, Waka. Oh, quit no Abraham alone. So then, now your babies. Now your son.
Tuberculosis.
Yes, you can go and hit your head against any stone.
Now, enough. Please, enough is enough. If you want me to continue to contribute in this matter,
solution to this problem.
I won't get anywhere. You can go and hit your head against stone. Or you can go and get a crane to come.
You are talking to me.
Yes, you are talking to me.
So, could you believe that my wife conspired with her brothers to come and fight me in my house?
Hi, hello. I am telling you. So what happened? I hope you did not give them a chance.
Me? I proved to them that I am still the lion. Nobody there.
I know what you can do.
Yes. You know that boy Cornelius?
The younger brother.
He thought he could overrun me. Thought he could run me over. But I proved to him that I am still that strong man that I used to be. You would have heard that I murdered my brother-in-law yesterday.
In that case,
yes.
Okay, you know, no longer. Ines rod nimi.
So we man no dike company. We are well.
I'll come to bail you. Man, you must have suffered. Yeah? Before coming to bail you, you must have suffered. Oji, I will advise that anytime you have misunderstanding with your wife, sort it out yourselves and don't invite a third party.
So, there is nothing to sort out. There is nothing to sort out anymore. You see, Dorothy? Dorothy must leave my house today. Today.
It hasn't come to that.
That means you don't even know who your friend is. I don't say what I cannot do.
Master, Asanabia. No. 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 How is the children?
They're all fine.
They're all fine, eh?
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
No, Rina.
Okay.
Is it not enough? Huh? Is it not enough? I am talking to you and you are standing here looking at me.
Yeah.
Huh?
It is only on a woman you have strength to descend on. Why didn't you descend on my brother the other day? He almost fought you.
Go inside. Go inside, Dorati. Go inside.
Ụmụnne m esika aga na-eme ile ife. O wegbu efe o. Ụmụnne m erika fe esika. Ilefego.
Oji, I thought you said she will leave your house today. Solo?
Solo? If she leaves my house today, will you give me money to marry another wife? So it is true, Solomon. This is how you go about breaking other people's home.
But that was what you told me. You've just said it.
Solomon.
That she will leave.
Solo, it is true that I told you about that. But I thought you should have corrected me on that. You should have discouraged me. Huh? Yet you said you are a friend.
But I'm not Mali. You mean you don't know something that is good for you?
Yes, Solo. I can see that you have eyes on my wife.
What do you mean?
Oji. Oh, now you have Oji. I said,
Oji. Do you think I can sleep with your wife? Oji.
You have overstayed your welcome. I said, go home. Go. Naba. Look at what you are telling me. You are advising me to go and marry another wife. What happened to go? Yet you said you are my friend.
Mind your language, Oji. Mind your language.
Okay. Naba. Okay. Mwa nkete aba ki jide nwunye mkpukporiba.
You will have to go to Wefi's house and get more Abubeke from him. Huh?
Yes, Papa.
This is not what Abubeke will take care of.
What then?
I have to get to the hospital. I've developed slight fever.
If it is fever, we still have some dogon hero now. Chisom, Chidi, where's that dogon hero we have in the house left? Go and get it now.
No. Take me to the hospital, I beg of you. Please.
This idea of hospital, I don't like it. Hospital will cost us money. Huh?
Is it not my money? It is my money.
Because it is your money now, you want us to spend it. You want us to waste that money. I'm not taking you to any hospital. I know where I will take you to. That is Igedu's clinic.
Please take me to the hospital. Hey.
Sorry.
Mama Chisom.
You've not really told me where we are going to.
Yeah, don't worry. This place I am taking you there to. By the time we get there, you know how powerful the man is.
Papa Chisom, please, I don't want to go to any other place except hospital.
Let's give this man trial first. They say trial will convince a person. After that, I will not take you to hospital. You know, this hospital will involve a lot of money, and that is not good to spend money.
Papa Jesus, please, I have money. I don't want to die. I have money.
You have money?
I have money, please.
Where? Where's the money?
It's in the house. Yes, it's under my own bed. Please take me to the hospital.
Under your bed?
Okay. Please, I don't want to die.
You will not die.
Please.
Mama Chisu, you will not die. Just have hope. You will not die. But what I don't subscribe to is this idea of spending money in the hospital. That is.
But it's my own money now.
I know it's your money. Don't worry. Don't worry. You will not die. I think, Mama Chisu, I think we should have some rest here. My waist. Let us rest for a while, before we continue. Sorry.
Am I heavy?
No, you're not really heavy. But, hey, you will survive this.
Please, I'm feeling cold.
Cold, eh? Don't worry.
Take me away from
If I rest for a while now, I'll blow you hot, I'll blow you hot. You will not die. Headache? Oh. Okay. Let's continue.
Take me away.
Let's continue. So this woman has this kind of money in this house, but she will not give me to keep it for her. Ego. Hey! We come to think of it. Why will I take all this money to her for her to give it to the doctors? Mbano! These doctors are greedy people. Mbano! Instead, I will package them and go and hide them somewhere. Hey! Mbano! I will go and hide them somewhere. I will not. After all, if I go to Igedu, highest Igedu will take only 200 naira. Yes, 200 naira. And I know if I use my personal relationship to Igedu, it will even take 150. So, why should I take this money to doctors to eat? Mbano. Wow. Mama Chisomiga ya kwa manega dirio. No kwanme. Igedu, here I go. I'm going to go morning. Hey! Igedu, welcome. Igedu, Kaka. Please come. Igedu, how far? Have you been able to find out what is wrong with her?
Yes, of course, but you told me we are coming shortly.
Igedu,
You know the problem I'm having, eh? I am saddled with the problem of taking care of my children and even, you know, trying to meet other ends. Look, it hasn't been easy for me. So, can you cure her?
Yes, of course, without problems.
Oh, thank God. Yeah. Thank God. So, how much will it cost you to cure her?
Wait until after curing her, then we'll discuss about the money. Meantime, okay. I need 500 naira for me to buy some ointment and some materials.
Up to 500 naira, Igedu, yes. For ordinary ointment and Igedu, mbano. Okay, you know what?
No.
Igedu, you are going to give me the list of the materials you require to cure her, so that I will go and buy them.
No, I won't do that. I buy things I need myself.
No, you don't understand. I am thinking of getting those items fast.
No, I will be faster. I know where they are.
500 naira again. All right, Igedu, please, I want you to start the treatment immediately. Yes. Please.
It's all right.
Oh?
It's all right.
Igedu, huh? Why are you touching my wife anyhow? Is that where the sickness is? Hey, Igedu, is that how you are going to cure her? You must be careful. Oh. Now, like I told you, start the treatment immediately. I am going to get the money. Eh? In fact, tomorrow morning, I will send the money. But please don't touch her anyhow.
It's all right.
Let me go fast.
Thank you. I know Igedu will cure my wife. Where is she so that I can take her home?
So you are here?
Huh?
You are here. Come on, 500 naira. 500 naira, you ran away. You couldn't bring 500 naira. Now your wife is dead.
What?
You say you have killed her. I'll tell the people what you've done.
My wife.
You're going to suffer for it.
My wife dead?
Yes.
I believe me what you're saying, Igedu. My wife dead? Hey! Igedu. So I left. And you started doing anything you like on my wife, Igedu. Don't think this matter has ended. Do not think that this matter has ended. I am going to call all my people here.
Peter, huh? So that they pay all my bills, and then I tell them what you did to your wife.
Huh?
Yes. I tell you, you will suffer. You are going to pay for all the business and fiber.
Yes, and so, Oji, since our sister has died finally, I know you are now happy.
I don't understand the way you talk. You are talking as if I have a hand in my wife's death.
Yes. Who else killed her? Was she killed by me or Uncle Shiwata? Was it not due to the worries, anxieties, and too many family responsibilities you heaped on her killed her?
That is true.
Bia Camel.
Yes.
Camillus. You are started again.
No, Oji.
Watch your tongue, go.
Oji,
I said, watch your tongue.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, Oji.
What's wrong with this boy?
Let me tell you, Oji. I cannot, I said, believe
that
my sister willingly bequeathed her property and her money to you before she died. But that is not the issue now. That is not the issue now.
Meaning what? Can you explain yourself further? I cannot.
Yes. Meaning that since she is dead, you are now in possession of her wealth.
Huh?
Yes. And it is your duty to fend for these two boys. Yes. And train them in school.
Just look at
That
this.
is true.
Bam. You are talking about school. Did you go to school to start with? What do you know about school? Tell me.
Many things.
Huh? Look at an illiterate like you. Anyway, I am just sorry for you. Just to say thank you for your concern. But let me tell you, nobody will tell me how to run my home.
Huh?
Iluro!
So, Oji Ifakiku.
Yes!
Oji Ifakiku.
And you are here, and he's talking to me like this.
He's right. He's right.
Let's go.
He's right.
Let's go.
He said he's right.
He's right, Oji.
But Oji, let me remind you, the day of reckoning will soon come. Yes.
Let's go. Let's go.
Thank you for reminding me of the day of reckoning.
Yes,
But let me tell you too that you will equally be judged on the day of reckoning.
Let me tell you, Oji.
Yes.
A word is enough for the wives.
Take care
of each other. Their children.
Charlatans. Busybodies.
Because you have a large tumor.
Busybodies. Huh? Chisom, where were you, Seth? You would have come and corrected him in all his English. He nearly killed me here with a... my dear.
Papa, I've come to collect the money for the farm.
Which money? Which money? I am asking you to which money? Are you still kids? Don't you know how much I spent in your mother's burial? Have you forgotten? By the way, give me the money you people collected. The money that was given to you by people during your mother's burial. I want it now. Because things are very tight for us. If we continue like this, we are all going to die of hunger. So I want the money now.
Papa, we come to take the money now for my common entrance.
Which common entrance form? Eh? Which common entrance form? Come and take money now. Make sure you keep those money. Those money that we are giving to you. Because if I come back and I didn't see it, I'll make sure I beat all of you.
Which money?
Huh? They say give me. See, they say give me. Thought you were talking to me.
He's a very stingy man. Sure. See, we are going to watch pressure. He must give us that. He must. He must. Say, we invoke Mama's spirit. Thanks, sir.
My boy.
Mama, thank you.
I hope you people are okay. Good. Now, listen, and listen good. From today, we have to be rationing our meals. What do I mean? 1 pot of soup will last for us 2 weeks. Yes, it's as a result of the economy. It's too hard.
Baba.
Yes.
What about meat? What if the meat finishes before 1 week? Yes.
I will cut this your tongue and use it as meat. Look at your eyes. Just look at your eyes. Very soon now, yes, look at it properly. Very soon now, you will start stealing the meat in the pot. Then, I'll make sure that I cut off this your head.
But Papa.
Yes.
Did you count the Isam? That is the periwinkle.
Very good. Thank you for reminding me. The meat, the Isam or periwinkle, I don't know what you call it. Then, okporoko.
Eju.
Eju. It's just that you people don't go in search of Eju anymore.
Papa, what is okporoko?
You can't. I know you will not block your head. You won't remember what okporoko is called now.
Is it as mangala?
No, not as mangala. The other day, I returned from meeting. Didn't you eat that fish? That thing I told you that Igbo people usually call stockfish. Okporoko.
Okay, that one you put on top of your ear. That one that is hard.
That's my son.
Oronko.
You see, he's more intelligent than you are. All of them. 2 weeks. Did you hear me?
The food is digested. Baba, that is what they taught us in school.
That when somebody sneezed.
You shut us. To clean.
All right, I have just said it all. Let's go in and sleep. But remember, 2 weeks.
1 pot of soup.
Good. 2 weeks.
1 pot of soup.
2 weeks.
1 pot of soup.
Very good. 2 weeks.
What of Isam?
Shut up!
And Jeju.
Go inside. 2 weeks.
1 pot of soup.
2 weeks.
1 pot of soup.
I say 2 weeks.
1 pot of soup.
Come on, 2 weeks.
1 pot of soup.
I say 2 weeks.
1 pot of soup. What is holding Papa now? I don't know. This is the vigilante job, eh? It's too hard. One day they will shoot him. No, don't shoot him. If he dies now, who will take care of us? Auntie Betty can take care of us now. think Betty love us so much. I know that we need a Papa will forget. We need him, yes. You need him. I thought you need him. You should ask me whether I need him. You're supposed to need him. I need Mama. Your Mama is dead now. I want her to come back. And as a spirit, I'll torment you. No! Mama will not torment me. No, Mama usually.
This vigilante exercise, I don't know. Last night's one is so hectic.
Sorry.
Do you know that we almost caught 3 thieves yesterday?
Last night. 2 minutes.
3 robbers.
Maybe I saw robbers that came to us.
Yes, they narrowly escaped. Narrowly. Well, it's just that they're lucky.
Last night. Oh, I thought you people caught them.
Have you eaten?
Yes, more. Yes, more.
Don't worry, you will eat later, eh? It was afternoon. I should go and rest now.
I'm sorry. What is that? Papa? Are you having nightmare? Are the spirit attacking? But the monarch also.
Man! Who let those things on my bed?
I don't know. Maybe it might be those armed robbers. Maybe they later came to attack you. Yes.
You did not know who let those stones on my bed, huh? Tell me for the last time who let those stones. Look. Don't just look at my head. Look at my head. Look at what you have done to your father, huh?
But you didn't do anything, no.
Now tell me, what have I done wrong to you people? Look at this, Okay. Why you follow you, come here. Come here. Azwata. Things are so expensive these days. Look at this. Can you guess how much?
20 naira.
What? Yeah, I thought. This is 75 naira. 75 naira. Iso, go and get a knife. Let me show you where to cut it from. At least we'll start changing diet. Not Gary, morning, afternoon, night. So that we'll be enjoying. Don't know where we are going to. Things are so expensive, Jade. Yeah, don't worry, this one will soon be okay. At least you change your diet. Okay. Go and cook this one, okay? Chidi, put this one under my bed.
Let's cook all of them now.
Don't worry. We have to eat in 3 days now. Change enough diet.
This one will not do me.
Don't worry. Go and cook it as I advise you to do.
And that is why I remember my mother.
You have to... If you want to follow your mother, you follow your mother now.
So tell you wife will die for their house because Oji no one spend money for hospital. Chop money nko, Oji no go bring them. School fees nko, Oji no go pay them. Oji children, them no go school again yo because they why yo na akagom. Back when you Oji akagom. Mbu ga te go Oji akagom. Akaradite ile Oji akagom. You're a stingy man. Oji akagom. Aka super glue. Oji akagom. Akaradite yo Oji.
Why are you looking at me as if I'm a night masquerade?
Not yet, Papa. Papa, the yam is done.
That is what you should have said, instead of you to stand here and be looking at me as if I'm an ECFE. Go and bring it, let me share the food. Go. Oh, who wants to change because of my diet? We'll see Mgwangwa. We'll see Kanye. Hey!
What is it?
Who cooked this food?
Papa, I cooked the yam.
You cooked this yam?
Yes.
How come is this much?
Papa, you see, if you put this yam inside hot water, it will multiply. It is right. It will be very, very big.
Who taught you that?
That's teacher. He taught us during agricultural stroke, social stroke, into science.
Stroke. Is in need
Famine.
stroke.
Famine. Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. Now, if that little part I asked you to cook is this much because it increased, what about that bigger part? The one I asked you to keep under the bed. Go and bring it.
Papa, you told me to put it under the bed.
That's right.
But just so mistakenly, I put it inside the pot. And it increased. Yes.
Okay, Chisom mistakenly put all of them inside the pot and all of them increased. That's good. That's good. All right. So why is it that you small children will never obey the simple instruction? Why is it that you will never obey the simple instruction? Simple instructions.
I am sorry. I'm sorry, Papa.
You're sorry. That's all right. You're going to eat. You're sorry. You are because there is no way I will allow you to eat 75 naira worth of tuba of yam once. If you like, you cook it, all of them at one day. Now that's your business. Where are the plates now?
Mama.
Go and get the plates.
Mama. Mama.
What is that? What is that? Shut up!
My mother is like, she would have given us all of this yam.
Yeah. Your mama is not around. That is the idea. Go and keep this one. One for you yourself. Add more oil. Then you will drink enough water. Alele. If you like, let this one miss. This is for your 3 days of food.
Papa, we are going to use that pepper and eat.
My dear, use pepper, use ugly, everything that you want. Add more water. But drop this yam.
But we will finish all of them.
Let me look for that yam. Let me look for that yam. Olino Funso.
So, Mazi Oji, please, lend me some money, please. My son is dying in the hospital, and the doctor and the nurses are demanding for money before treatment. You know how doctors, man. Please, you are my last hope.
Hey. Nah, Keke is welcome. You don't make go now. I would have loved to help you. But there's this contract I'm expecting the payment. And they say it's yet to be paid. So please, let us see what happens next week.
Next week?
Yes, next week.
Is it not too far, Mazi?
It is only in this town that a beggar has a choice. What if it is? Am I the one that sent your son to hospital?
Mazi Oji,
Mba, on night they go to her. Look what my Nketa na chenyolo anyolo o maro na yin say dofu. Jebe, next week you come. If there's some money, I'll give you. Onwe fe di enyengi.
Guy, Jason, what do you think about this? Do you know that Papa is a very wicked man? Yes, very, very wicked. Papa doesn't have no sympathy at all. Yes. Look at he has the money. Instead of him to give that man the money, he refused. Yes. Just imagine. Papa doesn't have human sympathy at all. He does not. Did you remember that man? Uncle Emeka now? Yes. The one that used to give us money when I went to school. Every day. Even while we were coming from school, he would dash us money. Yes, I know him. Can't Papa give him money? In fact, we will help him. Hmm? We'll help him. Chidi, I think you're right. We have to help him. But how do we get the money? Chidi, let me tell you, there's money in this house. Are you sure? Yes. I'll close my look at it. Are you sure? There is money in this house, yes. Okay, if there is money in this house, how do we get the money? You know, Papa is a very cunning man. He's too stingy. That money, See, how do we get the money? Chidi, see, I have an idea. You have an idea? Yes, I have an idea. What is the idea? We'll make sure we help this man. We'll help him.
Chisom. Chisom.
Yes, Papa.
Please come.
Where is Chidi?
Chidi is inside the toilet.
Okay. I am going out now. I want to go and see a friend, eh? So I want you to take care of the house. Hmm? Good.
Papa.
Yes, anything?
Papa, Gary has finished.
You have finished 20 naira worth of Gary in 3 days?
Papa,
hey!
You see, that's Gary. In the morning, we chopped it like that, just like that, without anything. In the afternoon, we soaked it inside water and we drank it. Then in the night, we use hot water and that soup, that one you borrow from Mwangozi, we use it and finish the Gary.
Yeah, but that is not enough reason for you to have finished 20 naira worth of Gary in 3 days. And you are telling me you borrow. That's you will always be borrowing.
Papa, I'm still hungry. Look at him. My stomach has entered inside.
I will you go inside and do exactly what I asked you to do. Chidi! Every time.
Something so that I will use it and open this one. Don't worry. Go to sleep. Check with somebody's. Look at it. I told you that there's money in this house.
there is no problem.
No problem.
I came to give you something.
Something?
Take.
Where did you get all this money from?
Our father gave it to us to go and draw for him inside his room. But we decided to bring it to you because we overheard when you were discussing with him about him giving you some money.
So we decided to help you.
But this money is too...
Just take this and take care of your son's illness.
Yes.
So your father actually had money in the house, and he told me that he had nothing.
Don't mind him.
But what if he asks after the money?
No, don't worry. That's why I'm saying, if you just get the money, try and give it to us. So that we use it and keep it back before he knows.
So that our father will not understand.
Oh, no problem. I will make sure I pay back as soon as I get the money.
Put it inside here, this before somebody sees it.
Thank you.
Both of your sons, I hope he's getting
it. With this money, he's okay. Thank you. May God bless you.
And don't ask him about anything.
Thank you.
Greet your son for us.
Now, both of you, kneel down here. Kneel down here. Now tell me, who removed the money I kept in my room? Who?
Papa, I don't know. We don't know. You know you always lock up your door every time.
Yes. And that is why I am baffled. So who must have taken that money? Who?
Papa, maybe it was Mama's spirit that came and stole the money.
Yes, Papa. Yes.
You remember, you didn't give her any transport money when she died.
Yes, Papa.
So that she will pay for the motor that will take her to the spirit land.
Yes,
so
yes, Papa.
Maybe that is why she's annoyed. And that is why she has been coming and...
Shut up!
Yes.
Shut up, both of you.
Papa, it may be true. You know Mama was angry that day she was dying.
I said shut up! Shut up! Shut that trap up. Now for the last time, who took that money?
Oji.
Papa, we don't know.
Oji. What are you trying to do to your sons?
Now can you imagine? When I was leaving in the morning, I locked up my room. In fact, I locked it up securely, I am sure. Now I came back, went into my room, only to find out that the money I kept there has been stolen.
Hi!
Yes.
Huh? But you told me you had no money at all when I asked you for 500 naira loan yesterday.
Solomon, that is not the issue now. It's not the issue. The issue is who removed the money I kept in my room. Who? I must establish that.
Are you sure these boys are not innocent?
Sir, we are innocent.
Huh? They might be innocent. Now, what are you trying to do to them?
Okay, wait. You will see what I will do to them. Since they don't want to say the truth. Now, both of you, you say you don't know what this thing is. This is pepper. Bite it. Come on,
no, you mustn't use this on them. You mustn't use this on them. Hey! This is too harsh.
Huh? Why wouldn't they say the truth? Huh?
Oji, the way you are treating these boys is very bad. Remember how their mother died? Huh? Use your tongue to count your teeth. People's eyes on you.
Yeah, Solomon. Is that what you have to say? Is that what you will tell me?
People's eyes on you.
In fact, you are even one of the suspects. Maybe they stole the money and they've given it to you.
Papa.
Thank you.
Oh, now go. Now, for the last time, you don't want to tell me where you kept this money?
We don't know.
Don't worry. Don't ever think that I've closed this case. I have not. Let me go and come back.
Come here, Jenny. Come here. Let's go.
Now I cannot go out freely because they might do something funny in my absence. These boys are frustrating my life. Yes, I got it. I am going to bring in another woman who will help me to handle Chisum and Jinde very well, so that I will have a peace of mind. Exactly this I will do.
Baby, oh, Betimo, when you have also, Yamia.
Drink now.
Huh?
Take your drink now.
Hey, Betty, I have been drinking all the day. Do you know I bought 1 carton?
Is that so?
1 carton for you. Do you want more?
No, let me finish this one first now.
Don't know what it is for a queen to visit her husband.
Oji. Thank you. So, Oji. Thank you. Thank you. So, how are we actually preparing for the wedding arrangement?
No. Betty, what I actually want now is for you to come in. So that you will help me tame these troublesome children that I have.
You mean your kids?
Yes. These children are horrible. You cannot stay with them for 5 minutes. You will hate them.
They are too young and tender to be treated like that.
Look. You don't know
What
them.
they need now is care and love, which their mother used to give to them.
Betty, you will not understand. These kids, you cannot stay, what is 10 minutes? You will not stay up to 5 minutes. You will hate them. You will even feel like shooting them.
I don't want to kill anybody.
Oh,
I don't want to kill anybody.
That's just why I want you to come in and help me tame them. Please. Oh, my dear.
No problem. No problem. That's why I want to come in.
I'll
be your wife. Hey, take it easy now.
Chisum, Chidi, what do you think about this Auntie Betty's relationship with Papa? Oh, you don't even know. I don't know. Papa is planning to marry Auntie Betty. Are you serious? Yes. But I like her. Me too, I like her. Okay. I like the way she behaves. And that reminds me, you know we are hungry. Let's go to Auntie Betty's house. Yes. Let's go and beg her for money or even food. We share, said. I don't know. Since Papa refused to give us food in the morning, I think she will give us food. Go. Let's go. Yes.
How are you?
Fine.
How about your dad?
He's okay.
This one about of you came. I hope there is no problem.
No problem. No problem. We just came to visit you.
Yeah. And I'm just going out. I want to go to the market and buy something, eh?
Auntie Betty. Yeah? We are hungry. We've not eaten since morning. Yes. Our father refused to give us money for food.
Why?
We don't know.
Why? Oh, God. Why is Oji treating these kids like this, eh? Okay. You know what will happen now, huh? I will give you some money so that you will go and buy something for yourselves and eat, eh?
Don't you have food in your house?
No, I don't have leftover, eh? I don't have any food. That's why I want to go to the market. Okay, have this. Have this.
Thank you.
Like this for yourself and eat, eh?
Thank you. Thank you.
You know what will happen? Tomorrow, I want you people to come. I will cook a delicious meal for you people.
Will you put it in some?
Hey, and Oboroko.
And the edge.
I know you like Eju. Okay, bye-bye, yeah? Bye-bye. Hey.
Chisum! Chidi!
Papa, welcome.
Good. Where is Chisum?
He's inside. He's coming.
Doing what?
I don't know. He's coming.
Now tell me, what did you and Chisum... Chisum, come here.
Welcome, Papa.
Yes. I am just asking him what both of you went to do in Betty's house yesterday. Answer me! What did you go to do there?
Papa, who is Betty?
You are asking me who Betty is? Huh? You are asking me who Betty is, so you don't know Betty again. Now answer me. What did you go to do there?
Papa, to say the truth, we went there to beg her for money. Yes, Papa.
What?
We are hungry.
We were hungry. When you ate and ate and ate before I left. Huh? This is how you'll be disgracing me. By the way, who authorized you to go there? Who? Huh? This is how you'll be disgracing me. Disgracing me on my... Where are them? Where are them?
Let me go eat. Papa, now Papa is sick. He cannot even run. He will not be disturbing us. If it were before, he will not even allow us to play football. Yes, all before. Hey, Chizzy, come here. Chisom, come here. Chizzy, come here. Chisom, come here. I'm going to eat too.
Unbearable. Is this the day of reckoning, my Lord? Can Milos talked about? Oh my God. And the pains are gradually coming to my chest.
Because all you know was them before hospital. Job morning come, all you know go bring them. School fees no come, all you know go pay them. All the children, them no go school again. Because you are you, nah, I can come. I'm not ready. Do that, they go be.